Hi guys, I am Angel Jean Alberastine from BSBA FM1D. Today we will be solving ordinary and exact interest, ordinary annuity, and simple perpetuity. Our first problem today is ordinary and exact interest. Find the ordinary and exact interest on 2,760 pesos for 65 days at 4 and 1/8% simple interest. Upon identifying the ordinary and exact interest, we have to use the formula LO equals BR, open parentheses, number of days, divide 360. After that, you have to copy the amount, which is the 2,760. After that, you have to divide the rate 4 and 1/8% to get the decimal point of the rate. You have to divide 1/8 equals plus 4 equals divide 100. We have 0.04125. Now we're going to put the decimal rate here, which is the 0.04125. Now we're going to divide the number of days to 360. Copy the amount and the decimal rate. After that, we need to divide 65 divided by 360. Now we have 0.1805. And we're going to write here 0.1806 because we have to round off. After that, we need to multiply 2,760, 0.04125, and 0.1806. Now we have 20.56. We have to put here peso sign. Our answer is 20.56. And that's how we get the ordinary interest. Now, let's proceed to the exact interest. The formula we'll be using is LE equals PR. Number of days divided by 365. After that, let's copy 2,760 and also the decimal rate. Put 65 divided by 365. $65 divided by 365. We have 0.1780. We need to copy 2,760 again. And the rate 0.04125. After that, we will put the 0.1781. All you have to do is multiply 2,760 and the rate and the 0.1781, which is we divided a while ago, and now we have 20.27. Now we have 20.28 because we need to round off. And that's how you will get the exact interest. And that is our first problem. And now we'll proceed to the next problem. Our second problem is ordinary annuity. How much monthly deposit must be made for 8 years and 6 months in order to accumulate 12,000 at 7% compounded monthly? Now we're going to find the given. S means present value, R is rate, M is compounded period, and T is time. And now our present value is 12,000. And the R rate is 7%. And the compounded period is monthly. So it has to be 12. And our time is 8 years and 6 months. So 8, 6 over 12 because there are 12 months in a year. And the I is R divided by M equals 7 over 12. If we divided by 7 over 12 and we convert it into percentage, still 7 over 12%. And as for the N, T times M equals 102. To get the 102, you have to divide 6 divided by 12 plus 8 multiplied by 12. And now, we were going to use the formula RS equals S over S and angle at I. You have to copy RS equals present value, which is 12,000 over S, and the RN is 102. Copy the angle. RI is 7 over 12%. Copy RS again, and the present value, which is 12,000. And now we're going to find 102 under 7 over 12% in a table of values, which is the table 5. Now we have 138.839909. To get the final answer, you have to divide 12,000 and 138.839909. And that is our final answer, 86.43. And that's how you get the ordinary annuity. And now our third problem is simple perpetuity. What is the capitalized cost of 400 pesos payable at the end of each 6 months if the interest rate is 3.5% compounded semi-annually? Now we're going to find the given. R means the present value. M is the number of conversion period per year. R means rate and also the I. Our present value here is 400. And the number of conversion period per year is semi-annually. And our rate here is 3.5%. Upon getting the I, you have to divide R and M. Which is the 3 and 1/2% divided by 2. One divided by 2 equals plus 3 equals and divided by 2. Now we have 1.75 and we will gonna put it in percentage, which is 1 and 3/4. Now to get the decimal point, you have to divide 3 and 4 plus 1 divided by 100. Now we have to use the formula A, open parentheses, perpetuity equals R divided by I. Copy and put the present value, which is the 400, divided by the decimal point, which is 0.0175. To get the final answer, you have to divide 400 and 0.0175. Now we have the final answer, which is 22,857.14. And that is our final answer, and that's how you get the simple perpetuity. And that is our last problem. Thank you.